Hey Chad, Shamari Williams, former Saskatchewan Rough Rider here. I just wanted to congratulate you on 20 years of service at Integra Tire. I know the town of Carrot River appreciates all that you do. I know I do because you brought me out there and gave me a great opportunity to speak to some of the kids there. Congratulations on the 20 years and hope you do 20 more.
Hey Chad, Marcus Chunky Adams here, buddy, former writer. I heard it's your 20th year anniversary at Integra Tire. That is a long time, by the way, but I'll keep that between me and you. Shh. But hey man, congrats on 20 years. Myself and my teammates, we appreciate you, what you did for us down there in Carrot River. And for myself, I really appreciate you for giving me such a sweet deal on those tires. Again, man, happy 20 year. I'm sure that the town of Carrot River really appreciates you and everything that you do for them. I hope you have much more success in the next 20 years. And take good care of yourself, buddy. Marcus Adams signing out.